Now, if you don't have a beach, which you usually don't have in the Adirondacks, you got a rocky, nasty situation, this is how you get in the boat. You put the boat in the water, 8 or 10 inches. You walk out. You back up to the seat area. Back right up to the seat. Walk around until you can feel the rail, the wooden part, touching the back part of your knee, the hinge. Alright, when you're there, kind of hold it against the hinge and just sit. Okay? Now, you got to get your feet in. Don't lean back too far or at all to counterbalance your feet. A better strategy is to put a hand up here someplace to use as a lever and keep your torso straight up and down. And you roll and you're in. Okay? Then you're off.